most exciting moment. We're finally gonna finish the 100 envelope challenge. I just decided to go ahead and finish this because this has been lingering for a while. So I went in and counted how many 10s and how many 5s I needed to finish this for my grandkids. And yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing here. So I'm gonna play the music and fill these up, and then next week we're gonna go in and unstuff this, and then I'm gonna open, I have decided to open them up a Utma account. It's a uniform transfer to minors account where I will be the custodian, and when they get a certain age in the state that I'm in, when they get to the age of 19, they can take the money out and do whatever they want. They can go to college with it, they can buy them a new car, they can blow it at the casino, they can do whatever they want. But my goal is by the time they're 19, well, I got a 17-year-old granddaughter, so I got to work on her fast. By the time they get 19, my goal is to have them financially literate. For them to have some financial literacy. In other words, by the time they get to 19, my goal is for them to know how to manage money. That way I won't have to worry about what they would do with their money. It's already going to be invested, and then they'll, you know, of course they'll be gaining some interest. But I'm hoping that they'll have enough knowledge about finances that they'll make good decisions with their money. But I mean, you know, I'm gonna fix it where it's their money and they can do what they want. So I hope they do good with it, but if they don't, you know, there's nothing I can do about it, because that's the way I got it set up. So that's how much faith I'm gonna have in them to allow them to do whatever they want with their money. So y'all give me some ideas on what to do for my 17-year-old. See, because she's gonna be at a disadvantage because I'm just now getting in a position where I can do this for my grandkids. So how do I make it fair for her, because she graduates next year from high school? So should I put more in her account, or I'm not sure, because she's gonna be at a disadvantage. The 3-year-old, like my youngest grandson, you know, he'll have plenty of money, but my 17-year-old, she's not gonna have that much. So what do I need? Give me some suggestions on something I can do to make it fair as far as the money, being that I'm just now starting this and she's 17 already. So she'll have 2 years worth of interest, whereas my 3-year-old would have what, 16 years worth of interest. So let me know in the comment section. So like I said, I'm gonna quit talking and fill these up. I'm excited that I'm able to fill these up. I just decided just to take this money, this $180, decided to put that in our budget and just go ahead and finish this, because in July I got to get back on paying off this mortgage. I'm serious about that. I just wanted to take a break so we can go to Disney World and have some fun and do some other things around the house. So yeah. Oh, I done messed up the money. Look at her. Leave it up to Mrs Vee. I'm gonna have to swap these 10s out for some 5s, I think. So those are the 10s. So we're gonna put those in here. So yeah. And give me some companies. I did the research. I think I know who I'm gonna go with, but I'm gonna ask you guys, give me some companies that have good good Utma accounts for, you know, minors. I see that M1 Finance had one, and I know Fidelity has it. But I want to use a company that some of you guys are using. Look at this old $5 bill. Miss Kathy's from Kathy's Cash and Coin would love that. Ooh, I hadn't seen this in a minute. Ooh. We might save that for her. How about that? Let's see how things go. So yeah, I'm excited to be able to do this for my grandkids. And then once I get the Utma account set up, you know, and get them earning some interest, then I'm gonna choose to go back. I'm gonna start them a binder. I'm gonna have a binder just for my grandkids, because they all got something different going on. I got one granddaughter in band, I got one in dance, I got one playing football, basketball. They got all kind of different needs, and you know, that money is gonna be for like them and their birthday. So I got a lot going on. Money, money, money. But I'm so thankful, thankful, thankful that I was introduced to Dave Ramsey and found out about this cash envelope system. A lot of people don't like Dave Ramsey and some of his principles. I respect the person for the way they feel, but I take the things that a person says that will help me in my life. So his principles are good as far as, you know, paying your debt off, your baby steps. You don't have to do it, everything he says. These are just, you know, just some guides. All right, we're gonna put these up. And let's see. Ooh, we only have 2 5s. I'm gonna have to find some change for those 10s. I think I messed up when I did my cash envelope stuff and I got those 5s. So I'm gonna have to go back and put a 10 in instead of using those 5s. I don't know what I was thinking. So let me make some change and I'll be back. Some change, yay! So yeah. Alrighty, that's it. That's gonna conclude this video. We got a lot done. We unstuffed and restuffed my envelopes for the week. We did my change, 0 hour challenge, did our $1 investment challenge, and now we got the grandchildren all ready for their Utma account. I'm excited to unstuff this money next week and open those accounts. So let me know in the comment section. I've asked you a couple of things. Number 1, how do I make it fair with my grandkids? Because I got a 17-year-old and a 3-year-old grandchild. So how do I make it fair as far as the investment account? Because the 16-year-old is going to be at a disadvantage. And let me know some good companies that have Utma accounts. So that's it. That's gonna conclude this video. This is Miss V. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm gonna always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day.